See, always assistant is below. Is below of director. Director is the highest. Why you don't understand? Actually, when we said assist mean below, not highest. But you don't understand. Today is very flop, super flop. Oh, this. Since tomorrow we should remember what I said this evening time.
You speaking English? Hi, Hindi speaking.
Yeah, of course. Maybe you talk me in Hindi, but now I'm speaking always in English. Because I know English, but you know in Hindi.
You खराब डायरेक्टर मालूम भी नहीं.
It's okay, it's alright, baby. But always I'll talk you to right.
आप मालूम भी नहीं. आप डायरेक्टर छोटा, असिस्टेंट बड़ा.
You don't know. Assist me, assist director. It will be director, but not now. Do you understand?
Understand नहीं?
If you don't understand, why you blah 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 blah?
क्या blah 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 blah?
Okay. Since tomorrow we'll shooting smoothly, not like today.
हम मालूम भी नहीं, जानता भी नहीं, समझता भी नहीं. किंग शूटिंग पे है ही. चलो.